Me man say rich badness. Tell me rich
Rich
badness. How it work?
No want to talk about rich badness.
Yeah, but Jamaican can come with some slang, me I tell you,
No,
man.
rich badness
Trust
is
me.
just say them they're rich and them bad and the money can do anything for them. So if you violate someone, you disrespect someone and they like it, them themselves not coming to you in person. They send someone because it's cheap to put a money on your head, meaning that they can just give someone $1 million Jamaican dollar or half of that to get your wipe out.
So what the song say again? Rich badness, you know a bad man style.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying.
Kyle.
Yeah, man. See, it's my flex, you know, see how bad man thing.
Yeah, family.
Don't
Yeah, family. Some peace, some love, and some sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. I'm actually here with my Jamaican brother, and I'm showing him a 1-bedroom bed-sitter. And this is my agent friend Betty. So when you want house, you can link her up. Yeah. She know about all the house in Rocker. Yeah, family. So we're gonna look on a bed-sitter right now. Yeah.
That's not my name.
What's your name?
No. I just said Ricardo.
Ricardo.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what they said. That's not my name. You can call me if you want. No problem.
The same This was the one I sent you for 15K.
Yeah. Hold on. How many steps I'm going to go? Because this like I'm going sky level without the elevator.
This small apartment, there's a double side and have elevator.
Apartment too far. You have to go one more step further.
One more step further, you know, take it. Yeah, we get a nice view. Nice view. Yeah, family, this is a bed-sitter family. Bed-sitter in Walker. Sitter, this is a bed-sitter. Just drop your bed and thing. Washroom, okay, washroom. But I like this bed step because the washroom is separate. Washroom is in a separate thing. Yeah, family, so. Yeah, studio apartment. Small bed-sitter with a small balcony right there, so. Yeah, family, so this is Kenya, where you can get house for 15,000 Jamaican dollars. You can just pull up on Parky and you find a house. You don't have to ask no question. Just look and you see apartment like this, and you just go there.
It's serious for you.
Just go and ask, and you'll find available, you know what I mean, place for parking for rent family. So, you know, if you guys come in, this is it, family. This is it.
You see this one?
It's easy because you fall apart over in the same apartment. But here is not the same apartment, you see? Over there. Yes.
35. That's a 2-bedroom or 1 bedroom?
1 bedroom.
Okay. Alright, family. That's the bed-sitter.
Yeah, this is the bed-sitter.
That's the bed-sitter family. So now we're going to show you 1 bedroom for 35,000 Kenyan shillings. So let's go and look at that one family. But trust me, finding a place in Kenya is just like this. You snap your finger, and you get a house to rent. So if you're looking to come into Kenya, We are here to take you around to show you the best place for the best price. So like, share and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Tell a friend to tell a friend you know trying to relocate to Kenya and them having problems, them have questions. We can answer those questions for you. So just let us know, family. Let us know. Like, you know what I mean? We are here to help and we want to help. Jam Tours will go above and beyond to help. Above and beyond to help you. So let's go look at that 1 bedroom. This is what it looks like. Jam Tours Africa. Like, share, and comment. Continue. Yeah then, man. Yeah, family. So we had another apartment. I mean, like this one because why? I like how it make. Nice. Seems to be a nice place. Come on, this one look nice, Betty.
It's really far.
This one look very nice.
Hello? Yeah, for 35. Yeah, what's up? Yeah. No, I'm not around. You finished? You sure? That's fast. Okay, you on the line?
Yeah, family. So we had this. Very secure, as you can see. So 1 bedroom. 1 bedroom in Rwaka. Going for 35,000 Kenyan shillings. That's like $150, family. $150. Yeah, family. So if you're looking at a 1 bedroom, we're gonna show you. But these go very fast. So you got to grab it. Come get it, come grab it, family. But this place is very nice. Very nice. Yeah. Very nice place. Very nice. Yeah, family, and I like the view. We'll go in the elevator. Come back and show you the view, family. All right, family. So we're on the 6th floor. This is a newly built 1 bedroom. Wow, it's big. Wow. The cooker right here, the kitchen right here. Laundry here, right here. Washroom. No lights yet. What's the washroom look like? That one is nice, man. It's nice. Yeah, bedroom nice too. And you see a view. Well, it's perfect for Airbnb now, trust me. Watch out, look at the view.
Yeah, you can listen to Airbnb.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Airbnb. That's the lights.
Yeah, it's the lights.
LED.
Family pull up and parky.
That's good place.
You know, talky. 1 bedroom. Down there.
That's not far either. How much?
That's a bed sitter?
No, 1 bedroom.
1 bedroom.
That's
Oh, wow.
That's nice.
It look like 11.
11. Oh, wow. Wow.
It's going to be ready 15th of February?
Yeah, by 15.
15th of February.
I'll take 2 apart. I'll take 1 year. This one is nice. I like it. This one is nice. It's the washroom.
They don't make it, so
Come on, it's nice. Yeah. Yeah, family. So that is it, and this is it. That is it, and this is it. Family. So like, share, and comment. Let us know your thoughts. Yeah, family. So we're at another apartment. This apartment brings back memories. I used to stay in this apartment, Bellismus. When them just built, I used to stay in this apartment. And trust me, family, them have a nice view. Nice view on the rooftop, trust me. You know what I mean? So, yeah, 1 bedroom at Bellismus. Got that one down there. Got that apartment. That one down there. Wow. Wow, family. This is Bellismus. So, alright, family, let's go and look. Look at this one. Bellismus, 1 bedroom, very spacious, I can tell you that. How much this one is going for now, Betty? How much this one is going for? 1 bedroom here.
Yeah,
35. When I was here, I used to pay like 33. I was the first one to move in. It was on first floor. Yeah, the apartment very spacious, trust me. Yeah, 1 bedroom family. So let's go and see what it's like. 1 bedroom for 35K. Yeah, family. So now we had the 1 bedroom. Look at the living room, very spacious. This is a very spacious apartment, family. 1 bedroom, 35K. Look at the kitchen. Very spacious. Very nice, as you can see. 1 bedroom, washroom. Wow, very nice. You know, as I said, this was a very nice apartment. It's just because I'm a family now, I have to move out family. But this is it. And now we have the kitchen. The kitchen, big man, big kitchen. No water and big bathroom. Got the bathroom big. Your family have a common washroom there, so. Yeah, fam, this is the room right here. The living room is very big. The closet. Bellismus apartment, 1 bedroom for 35K. This is the only one available on this apartment. So if you want this one, you have to come get it. You have to come grab it. These things don't last, they go very fast. These things don't last. Running water, fresh running water. Fresh running water. Yeah, man, it's nice, man. It's big and spacious, trust me. Very spacious. Yeah. Look at this. Big living room. I like how the room them far apart too, like it's on the other side. Yeah, families. As you can see, this is the corridor. Walkway. Bellismus apartment. That's the elevator right there. Jam tours. Jam tour Africa. Yeah, family. So this is a 1 bedroom. Link us up in the WhatsApp if you want to get one of these 1 bedroom, because they go very fast. Kenyans can afford 1 bedroom. That's the reason why it's hard for you to find 1 bedroom. So if you want to get a 1 bedroom, link up with Jam Tours. Yeah, family. So yeah, guys, so like, share and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know what you think. You know, today I'm gonna show you like 4 3 bedroom and 1 bed seat. I'll show you already in this vlog. So it's just you know to make up your mind what you want and let us know. So let's go to another unfinished 1 bedroom. That one is going for 28K a month. Wow. Yeah, family, let's show you the rooftop for Bellismus. Oh, this one is what? This one is 2 bedroom?
2 bedroom for 50.
For 50?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
You see the L.
You
You see M? It's 30. But it doesn't cover a lift.
This
So
one?
here, no, ELM.
ELM.
The one are you French? Does it have a lift? Does it have a lift?
ELM, no lift.
Really? You see what Wbesite?
Yeah.
Oh.
2 years lift.
When you have a lift, you pay a little bit more. Yeah, family. This is. What about that one over there, Betty? This one over here. What is that coming up there? This one.
This one is for sale. So 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom. They are selling at. They sell at the building, and then you yourself you put the fixing. Like
so they're selling the entire building.
Yeah. Not the entire one unit.
Apartments.
Oh, okay. 1 unit.
3.5.
3.5, and that's how many bedroom?
For 2, for 3, 4.5.
Okay.
But not complete finish.
Not complete finish.
Yeah.
Oh,
Finish,
you finish it yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, they have a payment plan over there?
Yeah.
Payment plan.
Payment plan is which one?
Payment plan. Like
Oh,
you pay,
payment,
yeah,
payment.
pay, yeah, like
Yeah,
a,
there is.
ah, like how many, like 24
Then
months,
You put like 10%.
10% down?
Yeah. And then you complete in 1 year.
Ah, okay, wow. And 2 bedroom for 3.5 million family.
5
Over there is, so that's the road there.
Yeah, so you see that one is banana. Banana. You hear banana?
Oh yeah, I know about banana. Yeah. That's banana.
It's called Joro because it's between banana
Banana
and Roaka.
and Rocka. Okay.
Use that road.
That road. Okay.
There is a road there.
Oh, and come down. Yeah. Okay, family. So trust me, when you come on to real estate in Kenya, there's so much deals here that only if you know. So this is the view, family, from Belismas. Yeah. Yeah, man. Sink, 2 bathroom. Yeah.
Event.
Yeah, man.
Outdoor barbecue.
Outdoor barbecue. Yeah.
We invite a lot of people. Invitation only.
Invitation only. Yeah.
See greenery, fresh.
Yeah, man, right around the city. More apartments coming up there. Yeah. Yeah, family. So if you come to Kenya and want to find a house, buy, sell, rent and re-rent anywhere you want. Anywhere you want it.
Just come with some money.
Yeah, anywhere you
Don't
want
have no
it.
money, come with a credit, you can still buy.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So that's the how much is this? Is the fourth, the third house I show on this trend
So
property.
far,
Yeah.
look at the next one.
Look at the next one, which is the fourth one. So stay tuned for that one, because that one is the real one. It's an unfinished one, but the price for a 1 bedroom, trust me, you still can catch this one because
Quick.
it's still available. After 28 days, it will be gone. So
True.
yeah,
It's-
yeah,
Orders already put in already. though.
yeah. Others already put in. So
Yeah.
yeah, man, we're there. So check in and lock in, subscribe and share. We are out.
Not rich. Trust me, I'm not rich. But when I see opportunity to take investment in, I'm going to do it.
Yeah.
The idea we have to have something going on. You can't
Yeah,
sit around.
you can't sit around and look. Yeah, family. So that was some, you know what I mean, some
Insight.
wise idea from Jam Tours, from our brother from Reggae Flavors. So, you know what I mean, this is it and that is it. We are out. One love, God bless. I hope you enjoyed this video. And our sister Betty right here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Linking up us with the contractor.
Yeah. I want to build something. Alright, family. I'm out. One love, God bless. I'm out.